Want to use two WhatsApp, Telegram, or Messenger accounts on your Android phone? Here are two ways. Method 1. Use built-in features. Open your phone's settings. Search for dual apps and press Enter. Select the app you want to clone. I'll go with WhatsApp. Enable the cloning option to create a second app instance. Confirm your choice by pressing Turn On. Wait for the app to be installed. Return to the home screen and launch the cloned app. Sign in with your second account using a different number or credentials. Method 2. Use third-party apps. Download a cloning app from the Google Play Store like Parallel Space, Dual Space, or Clone app. Open the installed cloning app. Give all of the necessary permissions. Choose the app you want to clone and press Add to Parallel Space. Launch the cloned app and log in to your other account. You're all set. Subscribe for more useful tips.